Guys, welcome back to my channel. So, may dinownload na naman akong world. Ay, ito naman may swimming pool. Wow. Meron pa tayong ano dito, guys. Outdoors area. Tapos, wow, may armor pa tayo. May couch. Wala ba namang TV? Ay, yung bathroom natin. Ito yung kitchen natin, guys. Tapos, ito yung dining table. Yun yung upstairs. Tapos, ito yung bedroom ko, guys. Ang ganda naman, eh. Ay, wala akong balcony. Ano ba yan? So, ito lang yata, guys, yung buong building. Wait lang nga, guys. Mag-ugas yung plato.